Dynamic newsletter. With this functionality, you can send your newsletter to your entire customer base in the case of an informative message, or to the subscribers themselves in the case of marketing message. To send the newsletter, go to the engagement section, then go down and click on Dynamic Newsletter. At this point, the system will ask you to create a new campaign or edit current campaign. If you want to create a new one, remember about enter a campaign name. Under this name, you will be able to see the results of the campaign in the reports. Next, you must complete each step one by one, which the system asks you to do. Choose whether you want to send the message to your customers in one language, or whether you prefer to send the message in different languages depending on the language of your customer's browser. In this case, select the languages in which you want to send the message. The next step is to select the sender. Here you can enter the name of the sender and below it the email address from which the message will be sent, as well as the email address to which any replies from customers should fall. If you have already prepared information about the sender, choose it from the list of predefined senders. In the next step, we set the design of the message. Use the prepared template or click on Clear button and create a completely new one. Don't forget about adding an appropriate subject of your message. If you want your message to include dynamic elements, for example products that are bestsellers, select an element from the left-hand side of the editor. Remember, each of the elements you add can be edited like you want. All settings are available on bar on left side. Please remember to add category menu, main banner, and content that is relevant to the message. Make sure that elements in your message are linked to redirect to your site. You can also make the content of your newsletter more personalized. Click on a text element in the creator and choose the Merge Tags button. Here you can, for example, select the first name tag. When you click on it, it will appear in the text field. This means that when the message is sent to the customer's first name will appear in this place, provided that we have it in the eDRON database. You can use also a tag coupon, which allows you to include codes in your message. Next, move to Coupons section to add coupons dynamic or static. The next step is the audience section. Here you choose to whom you want to address your message. In the dynamic newsletter, you can send mailing to your subscribers by selecting the group All and then Subscriber Status. The number of recipients will update on the right-hand side. In a dynamic newsletter, we also have the opportunity to reach very many groups of recipients with a personalized message. The groups are created dynamically based on different values, for example, low spenders, medium or big spenders, target, gender, etc. In the Dates section, specify when your newsletter should be sent. If you do not select anything, the mailing will start instantly. If you want, you can schedule your newsletter on specific date and time. Then go to the Review section. Enter your email address here and send your self-test message. As soon as you click this button, the test message should appear in your inbox. If everything is okay, click the Schedule button. You can view the results of your campaign in the reports. When you will create the next newsletter, all you have to do is click the Duplicate button and the whole creation will be duplicated, so you can easily change graphics and newsletter text to fit the new message you want to send. If you want to see reports of your newsletter, click on it and scroll down for results, like how many mails was sent opened, clicked, how many orders generated, or how many people unsubscribed. Remember that sometimes you need to wait for the results. What's more, after 24 hours, you can resend your newsletter. You have two options here: to customers who opened your email or to the customers who did not open your email. And that's it. If you have any questions, please contact us at hello@edron.me or use our FAQ.